This is the one constant water, covering the good times, covering the panic-stricken evenings when disease took hold, covering the face like a white cloth, covering the body like a climbing black fire, covering the whisper, the softly spoken, the scream, covering all that I remember and all that is drowned in a dream. Drowned or drowned, ever drowned her alone, drowned us both together. All that is left, all I could recover. The archive that holds only dismembered memories. The fruit thrown away in favor of the root.